up, you guys? Welcome back. Today is a frightening day. I tried to go for I got my Sanderson shirt on, you know? I am watching Hocus Pocus later, but I figured I would get into the theme here because we're gonna do some scary stuff. So today I would like you all to get prepared. Okay, so GoodJanes Skincare gifted this to me and I saw it and I was like, that would actually be quite useful. So let me go ahead and do this. This is the Kiss My Lash Triple Angle Mirror. It's supposed to make it really easy to apply false eyelashes with, and because you can see every angle of your eyelashes using this mirror. And if you guys have been following me for a while, one of my many eternal struggles is not being able to put on false eyelashes. Even when I get it right, it's not right. And I don't, and I'm convinced, so, because I started doing that trick where you look under, you know, that was really close. That helps, okay? And that's how I've had the best luck so far, right? But this intrigued me because, again, see it from every angle. How could you go wrong? So I've done my makeup except for my lashes. I've not put on any mascara. I've not put on false eyelashes. I actually bought lashes just to do this with. And I do have lashes. My lashes are experimental. So I went with the old popular, these are popular, the Ardell Wispies. So it's the original feathered lash with Invisiband. There's 5 pairs in here. We're gonna try this. And then I also got the Duo Quick Set Striplash Adhesive Glue because this seems to be very popular. This is in the white clear. Those are 2 very different things, you guys. It dries clear. Is that what we want? These are very popular false lash products to the best of my knowledge. And again, this is not normally a world that I delve in. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out today. And I'm actually really pumped. This is supposed to be super easy to put together. And it's supposed to make it easy to put on false eyelashes. And if it can do that, and I don't have to continue this ridiculous cycle I'm in of buying false eyelashes, getting frustrated, giving them away, and then buying new ones because I really want to wear false eyelashes, I will be so ecstatic. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up. I'm going to show you guys how to set it up. Again, thank you very much to GoodJanes Cosmetics. I am so unbelievably excited about this, and I really, really, really hope that it works. I even have lash tools. I don't know what's happening with my lip line today, so we're just gonna ignore that. Okay, I have scissors. Was an adventure. So the center and 2 side mirrors work together to give you the best views of your upper and lower lashes for easy application of mascara, false eyelashes, and lash tabs. What are lash tabs? Why? To clean mirrors, wipe with a soft lint-free cloth. Use household glass cleaner to remove smudges and blemishes. So you can, there's 3 ways to use it. It says you can hold the mirror in your hand, you can place the mirror on a flat surface, or you can purchase the hands-free stand. I'm almost positive that's what this is. Oh, interesting. If you place it on a flat surface and you look in, it still gives you, okay, we're gonna try that too. All right, so this has the base. This is the base. It has the mirror. It has, oh, it has a cloth to clean it with. I love that. It has the armature. I wanna see, hang on. I'm gonna test this whole leaning over it thing. If I had it flat on a surface, right? Wow. First of all, how is my eyeliner already smudging off? This Sugar Cosmetics liner I'm using, it doesn't last all day. I don't like it. I liked it originally, but that's it's completely gone in some areas. You guys, that's actually so cool. You can literally see it from every freaking angle. Oh my goodness, I love that. Okay, we have the armature. Oh, and then there's the magnetic clamp, which is already on here. So then, okay, I love this because if you're using it on a stand and you want to hold it in your hand to get closer or put it on the table to get closer, there's no twisty turning. It's magnetic. Can we just have a moment? That is beautiful. Okay, I'm I'm really nervous about this, you guys. I've done, I think, one other video where I tried to put on false eyelashes on camera and like literally it was a disaster, and there's a good chance I never posted that. I honestly don't remember, but I have to like be in the zone, and even then there's like a 50-50 shot of it working out. Actually, and ironically, I just used the Moxie Lash Happy Lash, which are magnetic eyelashes, and you're supposed to get 30 reusable days out of these, and I always forget that when I take them off. Alright, so I have the Ardell Wispies. Now listen, I am not good at false eyelashes, so if I've spent so many years of my life studying though, but if I'm doing this wrong, just let me live in my fantasy world, guys. I'm telling you, if these can make it to where I can put on false lashes easily, I'm sold. I will sell my soul to this company. Fitting, because it's Halloween, but like 100%. That'll be amazing. I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a second. I'm flexing the band. This is a trick I picked up. I'm flexing the band, so hopefully it sticks. I don't know. All right, are you guys ready? I can do this. I have you guys like zoomed in super close, so I apologize, but I want to make sure y'all can see. And can you see my eyeliner? Completely gone. What happened? I literally just did my makeup. I'm gonna trim a little bit off of that. It's a little too long. Got my Duo Lash Adhesive. I will say I do have better luck with magnetic lashes. I can normally like apply those. So I'm trying it with the regular lashes because this is the ultimate test. So I'm gonna put on some glue. I think I've managed to get regular lashes to work for me like one time. I'm gonna let it dry. Okay. How close are you? I have my glasses off. I can't see anything that you're saying. Like, and because you're so close, I don't even know. I don't even know. Okay. Have a little lash applicator. I have no idea how this is supposed to work, I'll be honest with you. Lash line. No way. No way. I can't cry now. I just did. You guys. Oh my god. Okay. I wanted to do it. I just got lipstick like all over this because I was so close. I wanted to do it one way like that and then one going from underneath. So this might not be on all the way. It might just look like it to me. Okay, let me do the other lash and then we'll take a look. So this time I'm gonna look from underneath. Like that, okay? If this, I'm telling you, this looks, it looks like it worked. Like, I'm not gonna count my chickens before they hatch. Let's do the other one and then we'll take a look in a regular mirror, okay? You guys can probably see it before I can. If this did not work, I'm gonna be so sad, okay? Get a little lash glue. I love the color. Oh no, I got some on the lashes. Go away. I love the color of this. Like, I just want this on an eyeshadow. Okay. My little applicator. We're gonna give it a second. I don't even know like if I'm in the frame here. Okay. Okay. I'm so excited right now. You don't even freaking know. Like, I'm so excited right now. If this works. Okay, ready? So this time I'm going underneath and it gives me a really nice angle actually from each like side. Okay. And I can see in my top that that part wasn't connected, and look at how easy I was able to get that connected. There's no way. I want you guys to know I have been filming the entirety of this for 19 minutes. And that was including telling you guys about it, getting it set up, getting the lashes like prepped. That was so fast. Okay, give me a regular mirror. They look good. Are you guys? Oh my God, okay. I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara. This is a Too Faced Damn Girl because it's a good mascara. It's my favorite that I have open right now because all the other ones are like getting weirdly dried out and shit. And then just, oh. And they're staying. Do a little bit more. They didn't even budge. I cannot do magnetic lashes that quickly. Oh my God. Here's the big test. Now that I can see, how do they look? You guys! My eyeliner looks like shit right now, but that's okay. I don't even care about that. Who cares about that? Oh my God. If you are like me, okay, and you have a hard time applying lashes and you know what I was thinking about though? This would be so great for like detailed eye work. Like if you're doing a lot of like line work or like Halloween makeup or something like that, this is freaking perfect because you can see from all angles. Oh my God, that is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Thank you so much to GoodJanes Skincare for gifting this to me. This is unbelievable. Like, you guys have such an amazing product right here. Okay, if you are like me and you have trouble applying false eyelashes, and I have like shaky hands and I know that's a big part of it, so I have to really focus on like where it's going. This makes it so much easier. Like genuinely, I have nothing left to say. It's just gonna be the same babbling. Oh my God. This is opening up an entire new world for me. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Let me know in the comments down below what y'all think about this mirror. I have to know if everyone else thinks that this is as magical as I do. How have I not heard about this? This is amazing. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure you give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that bigger subscribe button below me if you'd like to see more of me. I purchased some new makeup collections, and so we will be doing a week of trying on new makeup collections and like lip collections and stuff. I'm so excited about it. It's gonna be so much fun. So that is coming. Stay tuned for that, and I will catch you guys next time. Have a great one. I'm gonna go try on more false lashes. Bye guys.